Hi, my name is Patrick, and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice and mindful test prep. Today we're tackling medians. Sorry, mean. Sorry, mode. But it's median day. ACT math style. This was question 44 in the math section of ACT 74H. Right there, you could pause it, pause the video, take a crack at it yourself, and then unpause the video and watch the explanation. Could be tight. Because we're getting in there. It reads, Ling asked 11 people how many text messages each of them sent last week. Kind of nosy. Each of the 11 responses was in one of the intervals given in the table below. Which interval contains the median of the data? Well, the simplest way to get the median of a set of data is to line up all of the units in the set from least to greatest and pick the one in the middle, usually crossing off the lowest and then crossing off the highest and then second lowest and then second highest. But in a case like this with intervals, we don't even need to write them all out. Think of it this way. The lowest number is in this top interval, 31 through 40. And there are 3 numbers in the highest interval. So we can't cross off 1 and then cross off 3. But in the second lowest interval, there are 2. So if you added those 2 intervals together, that would be 3 units. And the top one would also be 3 units. So we cross off 1, 2, and 3. And now we're down to just these 2 last intervals, where there's 2 and 3. Well, we could cross off 2 from the 51 to 60 interval, and then we could cross off the 3 from the interval below, but we would still have 1 left over. It didn't quite all balance out. So the median has to lie in that leftover interval, which was 61 through 70. Super cool. Some students find a question like this tricky because you don't know exactly what the data points are, so it's really hard to write them all out from least to greatest. However, given the ranges that we were given of the intervals, we can still do the crossing off low, high method. We just want to be precise about what exactly we're doing, making sure to keep the set balanced. So the answer was J. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? Or go out there and ask your friends how many text messages they send. See how that goes. If you have any questions about this or any other problem, feel free to hit me up in the comments below, or you can email me at prepmindful@gmail.com. In the meantime, my name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.